What's happening, sports fans? Welcome back to another episode with Mama and Papa Joe. On the menu today is a steak hibachi. It's been a little bit since we used the griddle, but we're going to make it happen. Let's get it. This is a very simple cook. Here we've got a couple of steaks that I have floating around in the freezer. Been there a little while. Cryovac was loose on this one. This is a strip. That's a ribeye. We're going to cut these. We're going to do a little trimming and then cut them into probably 1-inch chunks. Just any hard fat areas we want to get rid of. Any sinew or silver skin. I'm thinking here, just right down the middle. And nice chunks. All right, here are our steak chunks. Let's get them seasoned. We're going to come in here with about a tablespoon and a half of some teriyaki sauce, about the same of some light soy, some onion powder, garlic powder, some cracked black pepper, and a little salt. That soy and that marinade has some salt in it. Give this a little bit of a tossing. And we're going to allow these chunks to sit for 20 to 30 minutes. We're going to make a quick yum yum sauce. You know how good that yum yum sauce is when you go to your favorite hibachi restaurant. Your favorite mayonnaise, 1 cup. Here I've got 2 teaspoons of rice vinegar. You can substitute and use apple cider vinegar, not a problem. In this cup, I've got some garlic powder, paprika. I've got some sugar. I'm going to give that a nice mix. Then I add about 2 tablespoons of ketchup.
Yum.
Yum, yum. Now that's pretty thick. So we're going to loosen that with some water. I would say that might be 2 good tablespoons that I added. 3 tablespoons. That's what I'm looking for right there. Give this a little taste. Ha ha ha. That's money. Let me show you the rest of our ingredients before we head outside. Day-old rice. This is 1.5 cups raw, out of probably 2 plus cooked. We've got some green onions, 4 eggs, pound of shrimp, half of a large yellow onion, a little piece of finely diced carrots, the whites of the green onions. And this is going to be pretty much for the rice. Then we come back for the hibachi veggies, large cut yellow onions, some broccoli, a little squash and zucchini, and maybe 5 ounces of sliced mushrooms. We're gonna head outside. Got our griddle on high. Come in here with our rice. Nothing is better than some crispy rice on the griddle. We'll go right with our veggies. Oh, you can see that rice just toasting on the bottom. That's what I'm looking for right there. This is the first turn. A little teriyaki. A little soy. Maybe another minute or so on these veggies. That rice is looking great. We're going to drop our eggs. We'll get in there. All right, let's drop this shrimp real quick. And we definitely don't want to overcook these shrimp. So just a quick grilling, little color, off with our veggies. Oh yeah. Little soy. And of course, more butter. Black pepper, little salt. The rest of our veggies, green onions. Like a little fish sauce. For our steak, I've got some of the fat that I've trimmed off. I'm gonna get a little oil down. All right, I've turned off this burner that the rice is on. Set this rice off. All right, down with our steak. Folks, I forgot my mushrooms for my veggies. They're going on anyway. Oh, that burner is off though. Let's come back with a little teriyaki. Folks, these feel great. Don't want to overcook them. Let's get them off of here. Beautiful color. Let's get everything turned off. I am telling you, everything smells awesome. Let's put a plate together, man. I love the crispy rice, nice char, nice little crust on the steak, and I love the color. Look at the char on this zucchini. Folks, I'm telling you, this yum yum sauce over the rice, your veggies in it, it is money. The rice has crunchy bits. I'm not an expert when it comes to chopsticks, but man, that steak is tender. Little veggies. The veggies still got a little bit of a crisp to them. That crispy rice, well seasoned, doesn't get much better. I want to thank you guys and gals as usual for hanging out with Mom and Papa Joe. We really appreciate it. Be on the lookout for another video coming very soon. And as always, Mom and I want you guys to take care of yourselves, love each other, and we'll see you when we see you. Holla!